Aloha, welcome to TMDR, the Maui Daily Report for Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. I'm Chivo Cheng Johnson, and these are some of the stories that you may find interesting today. Today was the day Akaku went to court to plead for the right of due process regarding a give back to Spectrum of 20% or more of Akaku's legacy funding, asking simply to be allowed to sit at the table as its financial fate is being determined by the state agency that Spectrum apparently controls, the Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs. After hearing arguments from both sides, Judge Kelsey Kawano continued the hearing to 9:30 a.m. on August 20th, where he is likely to rule on whether or not Akaku can proceed with a contested case against the state. Here is a small highlight from today's proceedings.
And I would just end with, if we look at the national scene, we can see as Congress recently granted the President's request to eliminate funding for a national public radio and the public broadcasting system. Stations in larger areas can survive with, a 20 or 30% budget cut. But what the results of that is for national public radio and public broadcasting service is that many rural stations are going to disappear because you have to pay people to work. The radio stations and TV stations don't just operate on their own. You need to have people. And if you cut too far and you get to the bone, once you get to the bone, there's no more station. And so that is fundamentally the issue that the public is being confronted at every level right now. And Akaku does believe that it has a protected property interest based on the law, based on its designation, to provide the director with complete records so that she can exercise her authority in a lawful way.